Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about whether you can get NordVPN for cheaper. Now, NordVPN is one of the best VPNs out there, known for its fast speeds and no logs policy. So getting it for cheaper is a great bonus. That's why I'm going to show you how you can get it for cheaper. Now, all you need to do is click on the link in the description down below and you'll get an exclusive discount for NordVPN. Now let me tell you a little bit more about what Nord has to offer. For starters, Nord offers the best value for money out of all the VPNs I've tested. It's got a lot of features that makes it a little more than just a simple VPN. For example, it has threat protection, which blocks ads and malware-ridden websites and also protects your device from harmful files. And when it comes to speed, NordVPN is at the top of its competitors, especially in gaming and overall performance. Also, another thing I really liked about NordVPN is the intuitive user interface that offers a huge map of all of its servers, which allows you to pick and choose the closest server to you with a couple of clicks. And finally, when it comes to servers, NordVPN has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, which gives it a lot more room to access global content. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you click on the link in the description down below, you'll benefit from an exclusive discount link which you won't find anywhere else. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.